Presenting Lava Blaze 2 4G smartphone. It is available in glass orange, glass blue and glass black color variants. Store all your favorites in one place with 128GB ROM and 6GB RAM, expandable up to 11GB. It comes with anonymous and auto-call recording feature. Moving on to its 6.5 inches punch-hole display with 90Hz refresh rate. This smartphone is backed by Unisoc T616 processor and Android 12 OS. It is powered by an 18 watts fast charger with Type-C USB cable. The box includes the smartphone, power adapter, USB cable, SIM tray ejector and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.